When you set up a shelter like this, get a long fire going, almost as long as your body. The heat will come into the lodge, and I can assure you right now in here, right now I'm way above zero in here, and it's about -10 out where the camera's sitting. The green boughs that are in here, they're insulated for sure. It came from a balsam fir. I will not cut boughs from a live tree. I refuse. I won't do it. These boughs came from a balsam fir that came down in a windstorm, and I took the boughs off it. Always scout out your area before you set up. Make sure you got lots of firewood because you're going to go through a lot. If I was to stay out here tonight, I'd have to collect enough firewood to stack probably, yeah, about 4 feet high. About that. Once that sun sets, it's done. Cold air sets in. But with the fire, oh man, it's amazing. Show you something cool. To make a backrest with a pair of snowshoes. These are bear paw snowshoes, okay? So bear paw, right? You don't have a kick. You can do this with a kick too though. So what you do, this is gonna be the one that you lean it against. Stick it in the snow such as this, all right? Super simple. Stick it in the snow. There it is. There's your backrest. Beautiful thing.